I'm Nicole and I used to be a chef, and I chose United Pop because I wanted to dive into this topic of filmmaking and learn more about it, learn about camera, how to edit films, so I can create my own movies about food and present my own TV show perhaps about food. About food, about culture, about people, because I think food has a lot to do with history and memories, has a lot to do with our own past as people. It has a lot. It's a very personal story, the way that food has developed over time and in different cultures. I chose United Pop because I felt it was the right place to hone my skills and go really specific into a topic that interests me, and work, of course, with professionals in the industry who can give you exactly the tips you need to get going to start your professional career immediately.